Once again, Pops is rushing my barbecue. What do you say, Dad?
Hello there. Yeah.
Rushing. What's y'all? It's me and Pops. We're doing this barbecue, and check it out. We're sitting at 205, but I know my barbecue enough that it needs to go just a little bit longer, but it's gonna be good, baby. Check out the pics. What's up, y'all? It's Uncle Dave. Check this out tonight. Yeah, buddy. We got some beef ribs right here, baby. And I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all are gonna wanna see these bad boys get cut up. Oh, we get a little spillage. It's all good. It's all good, baby. Cause look what we about to get into. Look what we about to get into. Oh my goodness. It's like a Christmas package. Holy cow, look at this. Oh my God. Falling off the bone. Booyah. Look at this. Falling off the bone. Falling off the bone. Let me flip a bitch. Ah, it's hot. It's hot. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We about to flip that bitch. Now get ready. Here we go. Well, we already lost that one, right? So there you go for that guy. Oh my goodness. What do we got here? Oh, we got the burn ends. Okay, let's get the next one. Whoops. Oopsie, baby. Oh my goodness. Just carved out. Ah! Get over here. Get over here. Look at that. Boom. And the final one, let's carve this bad boy down the bone. Oopsie, baby. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Look at that. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take a picture. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Sonny playing. Check it out. Huh? Fuck, brother, she deserved Texas Roadhouse. Or Uncle Dave's. So Pops asked to reset because he said it was the most awful. So, what's up, Dad?
Hey, what's happening?
What's up, Mom?
Oh man, this is the best barbecue I've had in years.
Is it the most awful one?
No, the most awesome one.
Awesome one?
Take 3. Wait, cut.
No, we're going. We're rolling.
We're choked.
Awesome?
It's awesome.
Yay, yay.